Hello, pussycats. Oh, we are so quiet. We are listening to snoring. Look who's snoring. Oh, yes, pussycat. Squirrel is snoring. Oh, yes. You see, pussycats, if you adopted Squirrel, yes, you could have this in bed with you, or maybe at the foot of your bed, or maybe in the other room, but it would be so much fun, yes. Oh, he's such a great pussycat, just like a human. Oh, yes. He'd like to own you, adopt you. So why don't you come see him? Oh, yes, there's Squirrel. Oh my gosh, is that too funny? Okay, well, we're at Palm Beach County ACC with Squirrel who's snoring. So please, pussycats, come see us. Ciao, ciao.